Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. Today we are talking about the Sephora Pocket Palette in the warm brown tones. If you saw my unboxing for my Sephora haul, you'll see that I bought this in cold brown and I liked it so much I went back and this was the other color story that appealed to me. I think they have 6 of these. They're $10 for 6 pans and you get just over a gram in each one, which is really a lot of product. Let me swatch the, this is the warm brown palette. So let's do that top row. Again, it's 2 mattes and a shimmer, and that's lovely. That lightest, the lightest matte really reads a lot more of a light pink to me, which kind of is surprising in a warm brown palette because I don't think of pink when I think of warm browns. But those other two are very lovely, kind of a coppery and then a nice mid-tone. And then the bottom row, again with 2 shimmers and the darker matte. Those look really nice. And again, the color payout, it just goes on so easily. Really love those colors. Let's see how I did this look. Let me show you how I did this look. We're going to start with the lightest matte shade and a flat shader brush. And I'm starting down at the lash line and then just working it all over my eyelid from my lash line to under the brow. And this just gives a nice canvas, evens it all out, even better than what I used to prime my eyelids, which was MAC Paint Pot and Painterly. I am finding now that I'm getting a little color that's a little light. I think I need to go figure out a darker shade. Then I'm taking, this is a Reefer 14, very similar to a MAC 217, just a small crease brush. And I am going to go into this medium matte shade here. Tap it off and use that for my crease. And I like starting on the outer third and actually cheating it up a little bit. And then as I work it into the inner third, actually coming down to my actual crease. I feel like for me what that does is lift my crease, give me a little lift in my eyes, and I like that illusion. So, and you can see these go on so smoothly, they blend out so nicely. I'm just picking up a little bit more to do that outer corner, connecting it. You know, it looks like a reverse 7 here on my left side, 7 on the other side. And then I am going in with this shimmer just on my fingertip, right in here in the center movable part of my eyelid. And that's such a pretty color. Then I'm taking, this happens to be a Reefer 03, just the teeny tiny brush that you've got for doing inner corner. And I'm going to do this shimmer right here, just on that inner corner. You know, these also go on so nicely, brush or fingertip. Then my favorite flat brush from Morphe that has no name, no number, came in some set. I'm going to go into this darkest matte shade here and start underneath my lash line, putting most of the color on the outer third and then working it in a bit picking up just a little bit more, and now doing the outer third of my lash line. And honestly, it's kind of like making a small triangle out there. What I have figured out for the shape of my eyes is that works well for me. That gives me the color where I want it. I'm gonna use my finger to kind of smudge out the bottom. And really, super fast, super easy. That's it. So I'm just gonna finish up with the eyeliner, and I am using the Marc Jacobs, that blacker currant that I picked up, and some Milk mascara, and I'll be right back. And there you have it. For $10, 30% off through April 19th, which happens to be also when the VIB sale runs out. I picked up the two of these. Oh my gosh, I highly recommend them. They're beautiful, they go on lovely, they wear really well. You know, really the only downside is the kind of stupid packaging with the elastic band. But there you go. Thank you so much for joining me. No. Thank you so much for joining me. Do all the YouTubey things and have a great day.